In this video, I'll show you how you can send an encrypted PGP message if you can't use Kleopatra for some reason. Now, if you're sending anything important, I would highly recommend you use Kleopatra. I'll leave a link in the description below to an easy to follow tutorial by myself. But if you can't use Kleopatra, then this website can send you an encrypted message. So what you need to do is you need to go to igolder.com. Once you're on this website here, just scroll down and then go to online PGP tools, and then scroll down again and go to PGP encryption tool, and it will take you to this website here. Here you can start to write your encrypted message, and you can then send it to someone who can then decrypt it. So first you need to get a public key of the person you want to send the message to. For this example, I'm going to use my public key and then I'll decrypt the message. So get the public key of the person you want to send the message to. You can find their public key on maybe their website, or maybe they've sent you their public key personally. But you should know what a public key is if you want to send a PGP message. So here you've got your public key in this box. In the second box, you want to write your encrypted message. So I'm going to write the door code is 1234. And then once you've got both of those boxes filled, click encrypt message, and then it's going to encrypt your message here. So you can copy all of this, make sure you copy the whole thing. And this is your encrypted message that only the person whose public key you put here can decrypt it. So I'm going to decrypt this now. So I've copied it to my clipboard. I'm going to go to Kleopatra, we'll go tools, we'll go clipboard, we'll go decrypt, and it's then going to decrypt it once I enter in my passphrase here. So once you've done that, if it gives you any error, we can click force decryption and then finish. And now that has now been decrypted onto our clipboard. So now if we open up, we can then paste in the messages on our clipboard. So we can just paste it and you can see the door code is 1234. So that's how you can encrypt a message without Kleopatra.